guys, Storm the Cat here. I'm going to show you how to make a reborn car seat. Please do not use this for real children because they could be seriously hurt in a car crash, so please don't use this for real children. Okay, the first thing you need is a suitcase backpack, which is in the shape car seat. You can store stuff in it and stuff like that. It has a hard bottom. It also has a hard back. It also has a hard rod, so the second step is also very important. Second step is that you need a thick baby blanket. You can make it, you can buy it, doesn't really matter. Okay? Thick baby blanket. Put it in there, make sure it's nice and neat. Looks flat. And you'll also get those baby car seat cover things for like cheap, but if you don't want to spend too much money anyway, then you could just use a blanket. And also, this car seat was like $30. It might vary from store to store. So, if you have an old one, you can use that. The reason why I'm using this is because this used to be my old backpack and it just didn't work. Teachers didn't really like it. It says I'm not allowed to use it anymore. So that's pretty much it. So it's like a year or two old. Maybe 3 years. So that's why I'm using it. If you want to buy a brand new one, that's fine, but I recommend using an old one. Use it for camping before you do it, and if it gets like broken like this, torn, oops, that can be fixed. Just glue it. Well, it's been like that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So that was the second step. It's very important if you have this metal rod in there. The third step, this is optional. You don't have to do this at all. Is a pillow, an inflatable neck pillow. You can use this, you don't have to use this. I don't recommend you use this, but you can if you just want to use it. But yeah, I don't use it because I don't like it. And I'm going to tell you how to buckle. Maybe make it look more real and safe because reborns are expensive, right? Am I right? Okay. How you buckle is you put the bottom over the leg, and then this part over the arm, and then buckle it. Do the same with the other side. So they'll be safer. And remember, don't use this for real children. In a car crash, they could be seriously hurt, killed. Because real car seats are like for cushions and stuff. Because this is just not a good car seat for real children. Okay, Storm the Cat signing off.